What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat. Let's play a game and guess what's in the box. Go ahead and comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think is in that box. That intake is really nice, but that's not what this video is about, guys. In today's video, I got my guardian angel back. I know it's not there, but it will be. As you see, vacuum hose is here, power line is here. I left everything connected when I sent it back to Stratified. Now it's just time to mount it in place and simply connect the vacuum lines and do a bit of fine tuning and adjusting. Let the install begin. Well, that's not good. We'll have to fix that too. So make sure you clean the surface real good, because we are going to be using a double-sided tape on the guardian angel to secure it down to the fuse box. It's ideal if you have an alcohol spray, but unfortunately I don't have one right now. Just like so. And I already have the double-sided tape on. And go ahead and stick that right about there. Turn everything to off. 10 psi. And right about now you should be hearing it purge. Got that put back on. Boom. Alright, now that everything is all installed, as you see, the vacuum line from the intake manifold comes to the back, and this goes down to the blowout valve. And of course, this power line connected to the LED runs into the grommet over there. And we have the rest of the wires bundled up down here, just laying down there. So now that everything's installed, it's time to fine tune it. Let's get started. Alright guys, this step is actually very important. The first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and turn off the vent to atmosphere setting. And then we're going to go ahead and start the car. Once the car is started, sorry if you could barely hear me, I know the car's a little loud. I'm just going to turn it. I set it about halfway right now. So this is essentially your adjustment on how fast the blowout valve releases. So if you want it to release really fast, you put it all the way to F. If you want a long you put it on closer to the F. So right now, I'm right about set it in the middle, right there. little past the middle. And on the PSI limit, to calibrate it, we are going to have it on 10 PSI, just to see if it's functioning properly. So let's go ahead and in the car and go for a little drive. So we are on the inside of the car right now. Let's go ahead and turn on the dash. As you will see, that LED is blinking. Once we start it, it goes out as it's supposed to. So right now the goal is to go ahead and hit 10 PSI and see if the Guardian Angel triggers. If it doesn't trigger, that means something in the install procedure did not go as planned. So we are going to get on an open road right now and smash the throttle and see what happens. Hopefully it triggers. And it definitely triggered. I don't know if you can hear the hiss. So now that we know that the Guardian Angel is triggering how it's supposed to, we are going to stop in a parking lot and make further adjustment and up to PSI limit and make sure that we fine tune it until it's no longer triggering, but it's just above our max boost. This could take a few stops. So I adjusted it to about 25. Let's go ahead and see if it triggers. The other thing to listen for is the blow-off valve. You'll notice that the tone did change just a little. It definitely changed the tone. Still got to get in full boost here. Definitely triggered. A little bit more of an adjustment. What is triggering at right about 20, like I set it at. A 23 actually. Keep in mind guys, the Stratified box, or I should say the Guardian Angel box, isn't exactly accurate with the numbers, so you definitely want to keep that in consideration so you can fine tune it. That way there you're not depending on the actual box. 20, I'm noticing if I'm going to set it about 29 PSI, I probably want to set it closer to 30. So I'm pretty happy with how the blow-off valve sounds right now, but I am going to change the adjustment a little bit to see what the difference will be with the faster release, and also to see if I get a little bit more turbo flutter and how that all works. So let's go ahead and change the PSI limit and turn up the vent to atmosphere to a little faster. I'll be right back. So I just turned up the vent to atmosphere all the way, so that should sound pretty amazing, hopefully. And I turned the PSI limit to to about 28 or 29. Generally I spike up to that 29 drum flat foot shifting, so I don't want to be triggering the Guardian Angel over such a minor thing. God, that turbo flutter, oh my god, it made me wet. I gotta change my pants. It sounds amazing. Hopefully you guys can hear that. Let me do it again. So you get the sound of the blow-off valve plus some flutter. Definitely can't go wrong with that. See if we can hear it. Oh man, I like it. Probably not the best thing for the car. I am going to dial back the adjustment a little bit so I don't hear as much flutter. Probably going to put it right around the same setting. Obviously I can't put it the exact setting, but around the same setting that I already had. With that being said, we haven't checked to see if we can hit full boost yet without triggering the Guardian Angel, so one more round. Alright you guys, so right now I have the windows rolled up. Sorry if it's a little dark in here, but let's see if we can hear it without the windows down. Sounds wild. Hopefully you can hear that over the exhaust. I know it's a little loud. Alright guys, so right now we have to determine if we can hit full boost. Sorry, I had to maneuver around the truck. We have to determine if we can hit full boost without triggering the Guardian Angel. That's the whole key to this. Alright, here we go. And it's a success. We did not trigger the Guardian Angel. That means fine tuning for this is done. And one more pull to see if it triggers. Triggered. Time to turn it up a little more. That pull felt like it was going to be nasty until then. Alright you guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on how this Guardian Angel is, and don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think is in that box. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing and following me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to be the first to know exactly when my videos go live. Until next time guys, I am checking out. Yeah, boy.